Hello guys, today I'm going to show you an excellent piece of table gadgets that everybody wants to have. It is a 3D art calendar paper carving house sculpture. As you torn off paper one by one, the expected tree house will be perfectly presented. Either you can tear of one page per one day, or you can tear the whole at once, but I have decided to wait until its last day, because I love presents. Additionally, I am sure it will attract every colleague of your office because of its creative look.